Hi, this is Candace Boutel with Inspire Wisconsin, and today I want to show you how to register for calendar events. If you found our webpage, inspirewi.org, you are probably on the calendar page. As you can see, there's several different ways that you can view the calendar. The default is the list view. From here, you can see any events that are coming up. When you see an event that interests you, there's a few things I want you to notice. In addition to the date and time listed, you're also going to be able to see if this is a virtual event or if that event is going to be in person. Let's click on a virtual event. When you click on the event, it will give you more details. I also want to point out that if you click on event details, you can actually add this event to your calendar. But let's take a look at how to register for it first. By clicking on register here, you're going to be redirected to the register and request page. To register for the event, you're going to fill out the career exploration request form. When you get to the question about what you are requesting, you're going to choose I want to schedule a virtual career event. There may be a few virtual activities available to you, but for any calendar events, you're going to choose a pre-scheduled virtual career event and click Next. From here, you're going to select the event that you were interested in and any other events that might look interesting to you. After you've selected the events that interest you, you may also enter any questions that you would like answered during that virtual session and click Next. The last step is to enter your contact information. Once you submit the form, you will receive a follow-up email with any instructions that you may need to access your event. Let's go back and take a look at how to register for an in-person event. Again, if you're working from the calendar, you're going to choose that event. And as I mentioned, you're going to have a description for any in-person events. This will give you more information about the event, including the date and time, and anything else you might need to know to prepare yourself for the event. Simply click on the Register Here button, and again, you'll be redirected to the Register and Request page. Enter your information, and this time you're going to choose I want to schedule an in-person activity. For any calendar events, you're going to choose a pre-scheduled event. From here, you will select the in-person event that you would like to attend. Enter any questions that you would like answered during that session and click Next. Be sure that you're giving accurate information under the contact information, and you can even add a parent or guardian's email if you'd like them to be alerted that you've made this request. Once you've submitted the form, be sure to check your email because there's going to be very important information and additional steps that you may need to follow up on. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out at info@inspirewi.org.